I want Sell Beyond to be the biggest Amazon consulting company in Europe. I see us advising FTSE 250 companies about how to scale on Amazon because we have a bunch of smart people in the business. We are able to understand human areas, Amazon areas, and data, and there's no reason why the way we do things can't help the largest companies improve their Amazon operations.
It's much more about consulting and then teaching, but then also providing examples and doing workshops and having that kind of one-on-one session where you can give people that little nugget of information that changes their day. There's been times before where people haven't realised they've not put their keywords in the right place, or even times where they've put it in the right place but Amazon's not let it come through, but they've thought they've optimised everything. So that can be that seems so silly, but that can change all of your listings because keywords are one of the most important things for Amazon.
There's no Amazon marketing degree for a start, so it's not something that's easy to get trained on, and it's really hard to speak to a human being on Amazon. You generally get messages from bots or automated replies or fairly unhelpful customer service. So one of the main things that people like when they come to Sell Beyond is you actually get to speak to a bunch of human beings that can help you with the specific area that you've got problems with.
When you start to see them expand after just a small project, it's really satisfying because you know that you've made a difference and you've probably lifted them out of the trenches.
Switching between the different areas of my career, I spent a bunch of time doing a lot of detailed analytics and pulling together a lot of disparate data to make clear actions and recommendations. That's something I really love, but I also really love people. I love talking to people, I love hearing their stories, and I love understanding what makes people tick. And at the same time, I love business. I'm interested in entrepreneurs. I think there's so many diverse ways of running a successful business. So actually, the thing that I wanted to do in my life was pull all the things I was fascinated with together. So business, people, data, and Amazon happened to be a really great platform for that. It's deeply satisfying for me to see all the cogs working well together, that we can start working with the business and the employees in the business. And as we improve the different areas and as people get more knowledge of what they could be doing better, and as the team becomes more cohesive when they work with Sell Beyond, suddenly it becomes a functioning machine where people have actually got more time to do other stuff, and that can be really, really satisfying because people have actually got less to do and they're doing it better.